الهادي المحمدي Schools English. Schools English. Hello my lovely students with distance learning. Ramadan Kareem, my first grade students. Today inshallah students should be able to produce there is and there are. Grammar focus, pupils book page 113, workbook page 94. Today is Tuesday, 20th of April 2021. Now open your pupils book please on page 113. Before we start our lesson, let's watch this video. Graphic grammar.
There is or there are. How many beds are there? There is one bed. There's one bed. How many beds are there? There are two beds. How many beds are there? There's one bed. There are two beds.
Now let's read. How many beds are there? عند السؤال نستخدم أسلوب الجمع. How many beds are there? Are there. إذا كانت الإجابة مفرد نقول there is one ثم نكتب اسم الشيء. There is one bed. إذا كانت الإجابة جمع نقول there are ثم نحدد الرقم واسم بالجمع. There are two beds. There is هي اختصار there is. Now let's move to number 2. Complete questions. Complete the questions. Answer with there is or there are. Then look and write A or B. Now let's complete the questions here. But before we start, look at the pictures. Look at picture A and look at picture B. Let's start. Number 1. How many beds are there? There is one bed. It's in picture B, so you have to circle B and it's done. Number 2. How many desks are there? Excellent. There are two desks. It's in picture A. Look at picture A again. This is a picture A. There are two desks. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Now number 3. How many chairs are there? عند الإجابة there are two chairs. Two chairs in picture B. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Now let's continue. Number 4. How many clocks are there? Question mark. There is one clock and it's in A. Look at picture A. There is one. Here is one clock in picture A. Now open your workbook, please. Open your workbook. B. Read and write A or B. Look at picture A. Now, number 1. There are 2 beds. There are 2 beds. This is number 1 and this is the second one in picture A, and it's done. Number 2, there are 2 clocks in picture B. This is number 1, the first clock, and this is the second one in picture B. So you have to write B with number 2. Number 3, there is 1 lamp. 1 lamp in picture A. This is a lamp. So you have to write A. Number 4, there is 1 desk. B, this is a desk in picture B. Now, number 5, there are 3 chairs. 3 chairs in picture A. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. 3 chairs in picture A. Write the letters, then move to question number 2. Look again and complete. How many desks عند السؤال نستخدم الجمع are there in picture A. Look at the desks in picture A. We have 2, so there are. Excellent. There are. ثم نحدد العدد. There are 2 desks. In picture B, look at picture B. Here is picture B. There is 1 desk. There is 1 desk. لا نضع السلجبة. Number 4, عند السؤال نستخدم how many. How many. In picture A, how many? Question number 4, how many clocks are there? In picture A, there is 1 clock. There is 1 clock. Look. There is 1 clock. Now let's continue. In picture B, there are 2. There are 2 clocks. 7, 8, 9, and 10 are homeworks. Do the exercise, then send me your answers. We have finished for today. Have a nice day.